Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights into the latest fashion trends. Today, we're diving into something special for all you music lovers out there: the best rock and roll tank tops for women that you can find on the market right now. Feast your eyes on this vintage-style rock and roll tank top. It's not just a shirt, it's a statement piece for those who appreciate the timeless allure of rock music. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. This tank top is made from a soft cotton blend, making it super comfortable to wear. Whether you're chilling at home, hitting the town, or rocking out at a concert, this shirt has got your back. Check out these features. It sports a classic Henley neck and a relaxed fit that's both flattering and easy to style. The vintage graphic design screams rock and roll, with nods to guitars, music bands, and everything that embodies the spirit of this genre. What I love most about this tank top is its versatility. Pair it with your favorite jeans for a casual day out, or knot it at the side for a trendy, personalized look. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're hanging out with friends or heading to a summer festival. And let's not forget about comfort. The fabric is not only soft but also breathable, ideal for those warmer days when you want to stay cool and stylish. Who would enjoy this tank top? Well, if you're a music enthusiast, a concert goer, or simply someone who appreciates unique fashion with a vintage twist, this shirt is tailored just for you. Personally, I think this tank top makes a fantastic gift too. Whether it's for yourself or a loved one who shares your passion for music, it's a thoughtful choice that won't disappoint. So there you have it, the best rock and roll tank top for women that's making waves right now. If you're ready to add a touch of music nostalgia to your wardrobe, click the link in the description below to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this, and leave a comment letting us know what you think. Until next time, stay stylish and keep rocking.